I'm Donald Ardeel. I'm the Director of Practice Support and the Director of Syllabus at the Royal Architectural Institute of Canada. The RAIC conducted a survey and received several hundred responses from people who were very interested in more continuing education in the area of conservation. One of the outcomes of that survey was to introduce courses where cutting-edge technology could be applied to the whole field of conservation, preservation, restoration, etc., adaptive reuse. The Immersive Studio is the place for the demonstration and in education in that cutting-edge technology. So it seemed a perfect fit for the RAIC to introduce its members to the capabilities of the CIMS Lab.
CIMS is a research unit at Carleton University, and we're affiliated with the Israeli School of Architecture and Urbanism. We've been working in the area of digitization and building information modeling since 2010. We were early adopters and one of the first institutions in the world to start looking at building information modeling for heritage conservation. We have 5 streams of research. The first, and again, one of our primary areas, something we've been working on for a long time, is digitization. Then building information modeling, particularly in the context of conservation and rehabilitation. We also do work in simulation with colleagues in engineering, digitally assisted fabrication. And then finally, something we call digitally assisted storytelling. So using augmented reality, virtual reality, web-based tours. We did some work with John G. Cook engineers, different lock stations on the Rideau Canal, which is a World Heritage Site. And our kind of crowning glory is the Library of Parliament. All of those projects involved building information modeling from data, primarily from laser scanning and photogrammetry, but also from drawings and historic photographs. We're very fortunate, actually. We have 800 square meters in the visualization and simulation building at Carleton University. We have 2 robots. One will actually mill stone. The space was custom built for us. We have a great view of the Rideau River, and we have about 50 fully functional workstations that are usually occupied by student researchers. We've trained literally about 100 students in using these technologies. So the course will be developed through 3 modules. In the first module, it's an online experience, identifying challenges to working with building information modeling in the context of existing buildings. In the second module, it really is a hands-on immersion into the technology. We'll actually go on site, you'll experience how the recording of a building actually takes place. We're anticipating that most people will have at least a knowledge of Autodesk Revit.